How to unbox and set up the HP Laser 100, MFP 130, 1003, 1008, MFP 1130, and MFP 1180 printer series.
First, remove any documents and foam supports from the box. Take the printer and all cables out of the box. Take the printer out of the plastic bag, and then remove all tape and foam supports from around the printer. Lift the scanner lid if your printer has one, remove the foam, and then lower the scanner lid. Lift the scanner assembly if your printer has one, and then lift the toner cartridge access door. Loosen or remove the blue tape, remove the foam blocks, and then slide out the toner cartridge. Pull the orange plastic and remove it from the printer, and then slide back in the toner cartridge. Lower the toner cartridge access door, and then lower the scanner assembly if your printer has one. Open the input tray, and then squeeze the paper guide and slide it to its outermost position. Load up to 150 sheets of paper into the input tray, and then adjust the guide so it touches the edge of the paper. Extend the paper output tray. Plug in the printer, and it turns on automatically. On your computer or mobile device, go to 123.hp.com and follow the prompts to download your printer software.
Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.